What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, you guys already know it's Sunday night, so you know that means I get excited because it means we are close to market open. That means we get a chance to get back in our bag and do what we do. But listen, guys, I had a jam-packed weekend reviewing you guys' portfolio, and I had two takeaways, okay? I am proud of so many of you on so many levels, guys. Let me tell you guys this. Retail investors is coming for everything. The minute we learn what we've been teaching, the minute that we embrace what we've been teaching, guys, 2023 and beyond is going to be lights out for us as retail investors. And so I just see it on so many levels. I also see some areas where things can be cleaned up as well in you guys' portfolio, and we'll continue to work and chip away at those things throughout the year, okay? Also, guys, check this out, man. I'm very pleased with this. I got this sent to me on today about this tracking the different patterns and the different setups in the charts, okay? And then this was an exercise this individual was doing with the 13-year-old son, and this is what it's all about: putting in the work. Okay, putting in the work and understanding that it's a journey. And I'm gonna tell you guys this often: embrace the grind, but enjoy the climb. And this is part of the climb right here, guys. Seeing these types of progression, these types of developments, tracking what you do. Guys, if you don't track it, you can never improve upon the things that is tripping you up in this game. And that's on the investing side as well as the trading side, okay? So I want you to really embrace the fact that there will be no shortcuts in this game, and there won't be no shortcuts with me. We're gonna put in work every single day, 7 days a week. And those who really dedicate themselves to it, you guys are going to come out on top. You guys are going to come out winners. And everybody that's trying to take shortcuts, they'll have to live with that, okay? But listen, guys, on this journey, I want you guys to understand it's a marathon, not a sprint. And that's whether you're trading or investing, okay? Listen, guys, we got a jam-packed video, so let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, check it out. This week, we are going to kick off our trading challenge. I want to help you guys do a couple things. I want you to learn why you earn for the remainder of this year, but we're going to take this momentum into 2023, okay? We're going to all try to make $100 on this week or tomorrow. But check it out, guys. This trading challenge will consist of you guys identifying one setup a day, okay? And for this particular week, we are going to look for this entire week. We're going to look for the double bottom setup, okay? And so check this out, guys. The double bottom is a setup that allows us to buy a call. Now, I'll have a focus, and I'll be teaching this week on false breakouts and false breakdowns, okay? But check it out. The double bottom is the trade that we're going to be looking for. And I don't care what stock you choose to do it in. When you see it, when you spot it, that's what I care about. You could be looking at Amazon, you could be looking at Tesla, you could be looking at the SPY, you could be looking at the Qs. Whatever it is, guys, when you see it, I want you to, whether you're paper trading, whether you're taking mental reps, or whether you're actually trading, I want you to take the shot, okay? And that means just loading up with at least one contract for me. And then make sure when we do our videos for this week, tomorrow, and beyond, you let us know down in the comments below what you did, whether you took the shot, whether you saw the setup, okay? But check it out. Be patient, okay? Allow the trade to develop, okay? Allow the double bottom to actually form, okay? Because it's important that you don't try to front run it. You don't just jump in randomly. And then over time, we're going to do this challenge, and I'm going to teach you guys all the setups. And you need to track this because you need to figure out which one did you like, which one did you enjoy, but more importantly, which one made you more profitable. Okay, I want you to make money at the end of the day. The losses is just the tuition that you will pay to learn this stuff. But at the end of the day, your wins are going to outweigh your losses once you master this, okay? But I want you to track for yourself. What do you love? Was it the double bottom? Was it the double top? Was it the bull flag? Was it the bear flag? Was it the false breakout? Was it the false breakdown? Was it a reversal? Whatever it is, guys, I want you to be able to identify after we go through this entire challenge, okay? Chris, I made the most money when we did this, but I need you to participate in all of it so that you can actually know, okay? Then, guys, number 3, be confident. Be confident. This game is all about being confident. I'm going to be doing some shorts this week, and I'm going to talk to you guys about the fact that you can't let a losing trade derail you. You can't let it demoralize you. You can't let it mess up your other trades, okay? You guys know too much now if you've been rocking with me, and you're going to continue to learn for those that's just getting started, okay? But you have to be confident in this game, because if you're not, again, that will work against you. If you're not certain about the setup, guys, it's just gonna not be, again, in your favor. And that leads me to number 4. If in doubt, sit it out. I often talk about this in the Discord. If you have doubts about what you're doing, if you're afraid to pull the trigger, if you don't see the double bottom, it's okay. Okay, until it becomes second nature, I want you guys to, if you're in doubt, to sit it out. Okay, but if you see, man, Chris, I see that form. Ever since you taught us that, I see it more often. I never saw it before, whatever the case may be, okay? If you are in doubt about it, though, sit it out. But if you spot it, I need you to take the shot, okay? And then track your wins, guys. That's number 5. I need you to track your wins. Get in and get out, but track your wins. I don't care if it's $5, $10, $100. I want you to track it, okay? And I also want you to track your losses. I care about the losses more than the wins, actually, because the losses tell me a couple things. Are you managing your risk? Because we all gonna lose, okay? You're gonna lose in this game. If anybody is trading and acting like they don't take any losses, guys, you gotta move on to the next trader. You will have some losses, but what I care about with me is minimizing your loss and managing your risk. That means if you had $500 that you was playing and then you went down $100, just being okay with cutting the loss versus losing the whole 500. Okay, that's still a win in my eye, because you are learning to manage your risk. You're learning to, when it reaches your risk tolerance threshold, you're getting out. Okay, and so track your losses. Chris, I did this. I got in too early. I thought it was going to be a double bottom. It wasn't even a double bottom. It kept going down. I jumped in, but you know what? Once I was down $25, I cut it. Okay, versus Chris, I let it go all the way down. I think it was going to come back, and then it never did. I lost everything. Okay, it's the difference, and it's still victory in limiting your losses and managing your risk. Okay, so track your losses for me. I care about that, because if we can minimize those and maximize our wins, you guys, you might make 1,000 and lose 400, but you still profit at 600, and that's still good if you can do that on a day-to-day basis, okay? And then, guys, you already know, man, don't get greedy and don't overstay your welcome. You guys know I preach that every single day, whether we're trading or investing in this game, okay? If you are doing swing trades or whatever, you up a certain amount, guys, you got to lock in some profit. You got to take some off the top, and that's on the investing side. But even on the trading side, don't overstay your welcome, especially on this challenge that we'll be on. Don't get greedy, okay? You're going to see the double bottom lead to some big gains, but sometimes it's going to just go to a certain level, and that's just going to be that. You have to spot that, recognize that, okay, this is as high as this one's going to go. Let me catch the next double bottom, and maybe that one may have farther to travel to the upside, okay? Be mindful of those things. And then last but not least, guys, please lock in profits, okay? You are going to win because you're taking winning setups. Around here, I'm introducing you to high probability setups and winning setups. Yes, they will win. However, when you are winning, you got to lock it in, because what I don't want to happen is you turn a win into a loss because you held too long or you thought it was going to go farther. I tell you guys, I'm always looking for 5%, 10%, 12%. Those are my initial numbers. Then maybe 15%. Okay. And then you want to assess what's going on. If it comes back down, if it's not running, guys, get out, but lock in what you've earned. Okay, but then you're going to be in one and you're going to just kind of know, man, this was moving. This one was taking off. And that's when you can sit in a little longer and then see how high or how far it goes, okay? And know your zones and know your levels, because that will also let you know if you're in a double bottom and it hits the level of resistance, then you already know it's not going much higher than this because it hit resistance. Lock it in and get out, okay? all little things to be mindful of, all things we'll keep preaching and teaching throughout the remainder of this year as well as into next year. Okay, so I'm super excited. Please let me know if you plan on joining us this week or as early as tomorrow on this challenge, because I don't care what stock you look at. You can choose any stock. I'll be looking at the SPY. I'll be looking for the double bottom in Tesla. I'll be looking for it in Apple. I'll be looking for it in AMD and a few others. Okay, whichever one has one emerging, I'll play at least one of those, if not all of those. You guys just pick one. I don't care what stock you're looking at. Pick one, okay? And when you spot a double bottom, take the shot. Listen, guys, I hope this was helpful. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.